You know, I have this stuff all over where I live, so it's like free medicine. You know, it's like free herbal, powerful, potent medicine. In my garden, alongside this beautiful moringa tree, is this little weed right here, and I believe it is Phyllanthus Urinaria. It is also known as Chamberbitter, Mimosa weed, and stonebreaker. Stonebreaker because it helps break up kidney stones by reducing the amount of uric acid in the body. There's all these gardening things about how you should get rid of it and things you can do to get rid of it because it's so prolific, and it has all these seeds that go to seed very quickly. And you shouldn't, because this thing is immensely useful as an herbal medicine. See the seeds on the outside of it? If you go by the doctrine of signatures, you know, the outside of this leaf has these things that they look like tumors, they look like sores. So if you were to crush this leaf and use it on tumors and sores and ulcers, it actually helps prevent those and fight against those. It helps to detox your body, helps you to get rid of fever-related poisons. It's been shown to have a really strong effect against hepatitis B and also lung cancer cells. I mean, so this is an amazing little weed that appears this time of year in swampy, rainy, wet places like where I live, and it is amazing. So there is no need to try to get rid of it. In fact, use it, drink it, if you have need of it. It's usually wildcrafted. It usually is not very good at being domesticated. So it's a wildcrafted weed that shows up this time of year, and it's amazing. No need to listen to these companies that are selling, you know, great big batches of God knows what chemicals to try to get rid of it. So mimosa weed in the garden, all over the place. Very useful in herbal medicine. Hope you can go out and find some as well. Thanks for watching.